I'm here for a pickup. My car's done today. Mustang.
What's your name, sweetheart? Captain Terry.
It's ma'am.
You sign your final bill for me.
Okay.
And then you don't know anything, but I'm gonna have your advisor come up and check out your Mustang with you, okay?
Okay. Yeah, I was supposed to get like my first initial reaction from my YouTube channel, but like I couldn't hold it, so I was just like, screw it. I'll come by and look at it anyway, and like it looks awesome. Yeah, I seen it.
So yeah, I gave it to one of my technicians. It's really, really good.
Yeah, no, it
plus
looks...
he loves Mustangs. He's just like a car guy. So he only works a couple days, so we had to let it set for a day or two, but typically he gets everything done and then I send it to paint, so it kind of balances
and the
out,
paint looks great, and I know you guys did a good job because this was pushed out and you guys even got that right there, so
he did a good job.
Yeah, no, you guys did great, and like you guys could have kept it for another week just to get it done right.
Well, I'm glad you like it. Everything is guaranteed, so if you ever have a question, concern, you call us, let us know.
Yeah, look, so like y'all heard me talking about, I came through last night and I looked at it. I'm sorry, I know I was supposed to get the initial reaction and everything, but I literally couldn't. Like, I couldn't. Abba. Like, I'm sorry. It's a little, see, look, so see how this is, there's a line, or I don't know if you guys can see how thick that gap is right there. Closer on this side than it is the other side. It's because the bumper was tweaked. It looks great. I miss this car so much, man. No cap. And look, now y'all get to finally see the spoiler. That looks awesome. Yeah, from all angles, it looks like close to stock as possible. See, look, you look at that side. Y'all see the beast is back. I'm gonna do kind of the outro, but I'm gonna go over this paperwork, basically showing, you know, everything that they did. Here's the non-dented car. Oh, my knee. I don't really see any flaws or anything other than the gappage. See, I was talking about, see the gap kind of more right there, opposed to see how that's even all the way through. And then this gap right here is actually thicker than this gap right here. But see, this is uneven, but it's all good. I mean, this is to be expected from an accident. So sorry if I'm squinting, my eyeballs are being absorbed by the sun. First of all, I want to say thank you. If you've made it this far into the video, you should definitely subscribe because there's gonna be a lot of content coming down. Put this bad boy right here. Pause the screen, you know what I'm saying? You gotta pause it so you can see what's going on. It was gonna be $2,100 for that dent. So that's a lot of money. Remove, install. I think this is brand new. Yeah, it kind of looks like it's new. Obviously they painted, the tail lights came out, the bumper obviously came out. One of the bumper brackets broke. There was damage below on quarter extension around vent on bumper. I don't know exactly what that is, but I know it's fixed. Everything looks pretty good. It's not a whole lot. So, all right, here we go. This is what you guys want to hear. So I'm just gonna give you a whole category subtotal. In parts, it was $78.60, completely like all the way over. Sublet miscellaneous, $3.50. And then the labor was $46 an hour. And there was 26 hours within that labor. That equaled out to $1,200. The refinish, again, $46 an hour, and only took 9 hours to repaint. $427. The paint and the material and everything was $297.
60 cents.
So all that together was $2,013, 2013. The grand total, oh, there's a sales tax too, which is $145. Thanks. We definitely need that. Thank you. The grand total was $2,158.80. And then the original, so the original estimate was only $1,129. Like I said, thank you guys. If you made it this far, thank you for subscribing. All the videos aren't gonna be like this. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe. We will be back harder, and stay tuned.